Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Afreen. I hope you are doing really well. So I am back with another skincare review video. I have 3 products to review and all of these products are by Dr. Sheth's. Now I have been wanting to try their products for the longest, but then I never really got my hands on them, and I'm so glad that finally the brand has sent in their sort of new launch. And yes, these are all skincare products. These two are serums and this is like a face mist. This one is very interesting. I can't wait to show you exactly how this product looks like. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started. This first product, which looks like this, the classic Dr. Sheth's packaging. Now this is on the go cleansing spray. This has hyaluronic acid. This also has rose extract and chamomile extract. Now what it does is that if you are traveling or if you go to work or in general if you're stepping out of your house and if at all you feel that your skin needs hydration or it needs some sort of refreshment, then all you have to do is just spritz it all across your face and let it dry. You don't have to rinse your face after using this. So that's what it does, and it does feel. I will quickly spritz some on the back of my palm. So this actually smells like rose water, not too strong, quite mild, and plain water. It does feel little bit of refreshing on the skin and smells amazing. So yeah, that's what this spray does. I am super duper excited, and out of the lot, this is the most amazing product that I like. I've started using already, used it for a couple of times, and I love it. So now let me start with this serum, which is the niacinamide serum, 10% niacinamide and 1% zinc. So what it does is that this serum is specially made for people with sensitive skin, and it has a lot of vitamin B3, hence niacinamide, which maintains your skin's barrier, and it also helps in reducing the redness and slightly like calms down your skin. So that's what it does. And all you have to do is use 2 drops of it. You can use it AM or PM, both the times are fine, and this is pregnancy safe. Also very important, you have to use a sunscreen once you start using this. Anyways, you have to use a sunscreen, but especially when you're using products like this, like chemicals like niacinamide, vitamin C and all of that, you have to use a sunblock, which is very essential. So yes, and the serum is priced at ₹649. Now it is very important to do a patch test before you start using this product on your face. So basically you can do a patch test here or somewhere here. Now I had a very weird experience. So the time when I used this product, it instantly like my skin broke out so bad. Right now I don't have any makeup on my skin. I just have a lip balm, that's it. So if you see, I have a lot of breakouts here and there, and the reason is because I accidentally applied a lot of it on my face and didn't really apply a sunscreen post application because I thought I'm at home, no need to do that. I was actually very busy and I totally forgot. So yeah, this product did cause me a little breakout here and there. But the vitamin C serum, which is a hero product that you need to try. Now this one has 20% vitamin C, 1% vitamin E, 1% sodium hyaluronate, 0.5% ferulic acid and amla extracts. Now what does a vitamin C serum does? It basically lightens the scars and pigmentations and kind of gives you like an even skin tone, which is what we all love, right? So vitamin C is a great ingredient if you want to include in your skincare. Now this product is recommended to use just once in a day. You don't really have to use it twice, so it can be used once a day, and all you have to do is take 2 drops of it, apply it gently on your face and neck. Please avoid the eye and this like lip area for both the serums, even for niacinamide and for this one. So it instantly gives you like that a very nice boost of energy onto your skin, which I absolutely like.